Hello, I'm Hannah. The Sound Lab has helped me build my English vocabulary. Hearing words in different situations makes them easier to remember. I'm excited to keep expanding my language skills here.
Hi, I'm Asya. Before the Sound Lab, I struggled with English pronunciation. Practicing here, I learned to pronounce words correctly by listening to native speaker. Now, I feel much more confident speaking in English.
Hi, I'm Shad. I used to feel nervous speaking English, but the Sound Lab has improved my confidence. I can practice freely here, and it has made a huge difference.